Yo, what's going on, gang? This is the new video, and on this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a very simple strategy that got me like flipping my account like crazy. Alright, and this strategy works best on NASDAQ 100 and indices. Alright, it also applies to currency pairs, right, but it's more powerful with NASDAQ 100. Alright, so I'll be showing you guys, man, how I made about 100k, alright, with this simple strategy. Alright, so the first thing first you need to know about this strategy is that what we do this strategy is that remember, the market moves into elements like it goes impulsively and then it has to correct one way or another. Alright, so us, we are much more on the correction side. Alright, like if you check right here at this, from this point here, the market, what did it do? It went impulsively just like that. It didn't give us those like kind of corrections like here. You see, like here, what the market did, it went super straight up, and as it reaches here, what it do, it resisted. So meaning that's a level of interest where it starts to resist like this. That becomes a level of interest. Alright, and then it resisted, and then right here, what did it do? It supported, and also that becomes a very powerful level of interest. Alright, so where you find your level of interest, you put your level. Alright, so meaning it's here, and you can put it also right here. Alright, so meaning already you know that one way or another the market will have to come back to these levels one way or another. Alright, so, and I did predict this thing from 2020. I remember, I'm gonna show you a video somewhere. I did predict that the market is gonna decline like crazy. Alright, and it did. About 2 years later, it did decline in 2022. Alright, as you can check, like right now here, it was 2020. Alright, so this became our level of interest. We knew for sure that the market, one way or another, it will have to come back to these levels. Alright, and then from here it went impulsively just like that, and then here what did it do? It started to resist. So that's a level of interest, man. You put your resistance there, put your level there. Alright, and you see, as it resists, it declined to this level of us from this side of interest, which is like it resisted here, but at this side it plays the role of a support. Alright, so already we know for sure, already we know our levels. Alright, so we know that, okay, this is the pattern that the market's gonna be taking. Alright, and it goes again, gave you right here. So see, this one's close up. You can also put it here because it resisted from here, and then it gave you your support level. Alright, so you can also put it here because it's supported. Alright, so meaning, and then from here, what did the market do? It went impulsively again, just like that. Alright, and then from here, what did it do? It resisted. So you put your level right there, and it resisted up until where? Up until here. So you can put your level somewhere here. Alright, so you can put it. So already we are at this side. So, and we know where did the corrections begin. Corrections began from this level, so meaning that's where the market is gonna end. Alright, that's where the market gonna end. Alright, and as the market been going up, so right here, as it resists, it starts to resist like for very too long. Alright, so meaning that's a very powerful zone. Alright, so it goes up there, and then you see, if you look at it to some kind of way, you can see that it kind of giving the vibes of a double top structure. Alright, and a double top structure, it's a signal for a reversal in trend. Alright, and so far you can see that the trend has been going up. Alright, so it only made sense from this at this angle for the market to decline and to never look back, because remember, it's a double bottom, and a double bottom, it's a reversal chart pattern. Alright, and we knew that our first level of interest was this one, so this was the direction the market is headed towards. Alright, so since from there the market declined, it declined. Alright, so, and as you can check, it did respect the levels from this side. Alright, from here it declined, it went just like that up until this level here, and then what did it do? It corrected and then came down again. So meaning right now, as this decline is kind of a new move now, because it did complete this structure and it didn't decline like only impulsively just like that. Alright, it did have those kind of small corrections, so meaning those small corrections are gonna be our levels for the next uptrend move. Alright, so we can remove all the drawings from this side. All right, so meaning now we're gonna be looking for the corrections for this decline. All right, meaning they're gonna give us our levels, because the market, one way or another, it has to go up until here. All right, so we're just gonna be putting our levels here where everything started from when it declined. All right, and then you see it went that impulsively and then gave you that small correction. You put your level there, so meaning we know for sure the market's gonna end there. All right, before it goes to this level, it's gonna reach this level first. All right, and then from here, what do you do? It went down impulsively and then it corrected again, so you put your level right there. All right, so we know for sure the market had to go reach that level. All right, and then see, as it dropped again, it went back again to retest this level, meaning that's a very powerful zone. All right, so from here the market gave you that decline. All right, and then it tried to correct here smallly, but we can put it. All right, because you shouldn't miss any detail. All right, you can put it, meaning that's the next level that you know for sure the market is gonna go to. And from here it dropped again and then corrected up until here. All right, so you put your level again right there. All right, and you can see went down, corrected up until here, put your level right there. All right, so already you can see that, okay, even right here at this side, as it was going up, you can see that it did respect this level. All right, did respect this level, so meaning the next level to reach is this one. All right, but let's go again. Let's see, it's this one. Then from here decline up until here, then it declined. All right, so meaning this is where it ended, this one. So we're gonna put our level right there, somewhere here. All right, so from here it went up again to respect this level again and then came back down. All right, and then it failed. All right, so you can see here there's a lot of activity. You can also put it because that's where it kind of gave you your corrections. All right, so and as you look into this structure right from here, all right, from here it kind of giving you a W structure like shape. All right, and remember this is also a double bottom structure, first point, second point. All right, so obviously the market had to go. All right, so it has to go reach this level, like it has to. All right, so meaning from there it might decline again, give you a correction because it's done with that level. All right, find another strength and then head towards this one, drop again, maybe go for this one, don't drop, maybe just go. All right, so this is how the market moves. All right, so as we entered somewhere here, because we saw this double bottom, then we entered somewhere here. It was, I remember it was CPI for January, and then we entered because we saw this is a double bottom structure, right? And it was respecting our levels, and as it went up and then it dropped, I believe we entered somewhere here. All right, because it was on Tuesday when we entered the trade, somewhere here. All right, then we entered and we've been holding ever since. Even when it was declining here, we didn't panic because we knew for sure that the market's gonna continue going up. All right, so I'm gonna show you how is the account is running as of right now. All right, so guys, this is how the strategy works. All right, we correct the market, that's what we do. All right, we find our powerful levels and then you put your thing up. All right, see, like without even applying trends and all, we know for sure that the market's gonna go to a certain direction. All right, so that's why, like this here, guys, I told you that we're gonna be holding NASDAQ for the whole year because it only makes sense for NASDAQ to keep on going up. All right, and you can see this smaller decline here. It took the whole year, like the whole 2022, the market declined. So meaning we suspect also for this hole to be filled, it's gonna take the whole year. All right, so we'll see, guys, how the market plays out, guys. All right, so I hope like this strategy kind of makes sense. Right, obviously you have to put other elements in place. Right, you shouldn't obviously be naively think that's all you need to kill the market. No, because you can see I'm showing you all this on a higher time frame. All right, obviously when you go to smaller time frame you get the same things, but at a smaller scale. Alright, so I'll have to scale it just like that. Alright, so if you learn anything from this video, guys, man, like, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, we like to have you on this channel, man. And I don't know if there's anything I need to add. I think we're done for now. Alright, and peace, guys.